All right, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I got an old razor blade scraper here, and as you can see, it's pretty well rusted. Now, this is something I normally don't put on my YouTube channel, but I figured I'd try something different. So we have him, we got a little container here, and we have this Evapo-Rust, heavy duty rust remover. No scrubbing, you just set it in there, let it soak, and you could reuse this stuff. Now, I have used this a few times, but nothing on something that's rusted like this. I mean, as you can see, it's definitely more than just surface rust. So we're just gonna put him in there, and we're just gonna add this liquid till it's covered up. Just like that. And all we'll do is we'll let it soak for probably about a day. Might take longer, but we'll just let it soak for half a day, and see where it's at. So stay tuned, and we'll be back in about a day. All right, quick update. It's about 12 hours later. As you can see, it's starting to look a lot better. So we'll wait a few more hours or so and be back with another one. All right, so we're back. Now this is set for a day or so. I checked this last night, and actually it's pretty much the same state that it is now. But anyway, we'll let this drain here a second, and I'll show you what it kind of looks like after we left it set. Now, if you remember how bad it looked at the beginning of the video, here's how bad, here's what it looks like now. So obviously all the rust is gone. We just got some, what the metal looks like now compared to what it looked like from stock, I guess we could say. But as you can see, all the rust is removed. And probably a little bit of sandpaper cleaning up, SOS or whatnot might get rid of that. So as you can see, this stuff works pretty well. I had pretty good luck on the things I have tried it on so far, but this was the worst rusted item that I had, so I figured let's make a video of it. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one.